How to do a Laybuy invoice. First, we go on customer management. Then we go on the option called Laybuy. Then you click on Laybuy. And then let's say the customer wants to do a Laybuy and you go on account. Click on account. Then we go on Aaron. So Aaron wants to do a Laybuy for, let's say, 3 months. So you click 3 and then you enter. Automatically, it's going to show you the expiry day. And then you come down here. Let's say he wants a specific item. You can use a barcode. You can type it in manually. Then you enter it. And then automatically, it's going to show you the specific item that he wants to buy. Then let's say he wants to add another item. Then you can do the same procedure. You can enter, and this is what he wants. So let's say he does an initial payment of 270. So as soon as he does a payment, you can automatically see the outstanding balance is 7,000. So once that is done, you can go ahead, you can save it. And then this specific invoice that's been generated, you can WhatsApp it, you can email it, and you can download it as an Excel file. So here's the invoice. It shows you what date it was invoiced, when it's expiring, the items, the outstanding balances. It shows you the whole report. Once that is done, let's say Aaron wants to come back. He wants to pay. So you go to receipt, go on pay by, you go on customer, click on Aaron. Then you can do it as receipt and then as cash. Let's say he does a payment of 7,000. You can say that he paid with cash. Also, you can put any remarks you want. Then you can go ahead and save it. This will generate you an invoice, which again, you can WhatsApp it, you can save it as a PDF file, and it can show you the outstanding balance of 30,000 from whatever he has taken from the past. But now his outstanding balance is 30,000. So you can go ahead and cancel it. Let's say Aaron loses the invoice. He doesn't know where the invoice is. You also don't have the invoice. So what you can do is that you can go on Laybuy List. Click on Laybuy List and you can go on this option. You can select monthly and you can go ahead and search it. Then this will generate you the entire month's Laybuy invoices, which will make it easy for you to search for the customer's invoice. And then once you find it, you can double click it and it will generate you the invoice that you're looking for. And you won't even need to worry about the lost invoice. And here it will show you what Aaron took, what his out balance is, outstanding balance and everything. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.